The world of international beauty pageants has been shaken to its core with a series of shocking announcements. Ivan Gunawan, the celebrated Indonesian fashion icon and national director of Miss Grand Indonesia, has officially declared his departure from the world of international pageants for 2025. But that's not all. Directors from India, Myanmar, and Cambodia have followed suit, signaling a major shift in Asia's pageantry landscape. This thrilling saga promises dramatic turns, bold moves, and perhaps a twist that no one saw coming. Welcome to our channel. If you love sizzling stories like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling updates. Let's dive in. In an emotional press conference, Ivan Gunawan announced that there will be no Miss Mega Bintang Indonesia competition in 2025, and he will no longer hold any international beauty pageant licenses. This includes relinquishing the prestigious Miss Grand Indonesia franchise. Gunawan cited a desire to focus on his thriving fashion empire, stating, "This decision was made after thorough consideration, without any external pressure. Moving forward, our foundation will shift its focus to other impactful fields." Gunawan's tenure has been nothing short of remarkable. Under his leadership, Indonesia consistently placed in the Miss Grand International pageant, with the 2022 representative, Andina Julie, achieving a historic second runner-up position. Yet, his time as national director was not without controversy, with critics questioning his methods, including rumored sponsorship deals and alleged favoritism. However, in a surprising twist, Gunawan confirmed his organization will fulfill its commitment to Miss Eco International 2025, marking a bittersweet swan song in the pageantry world. And for those speculating about his future, here's the plot twist: Gunawan plans to launch his own global pageant, Miss Mega World, in 2026. Adding fuel to the fire, national directors from India, Myanmar, and Cambodia have also decided not to renew their contracts with Miss Grand International (MGI) for 2025. This seismic shift in the Asian beauty pageant circuit points to dissatisfaction with the MGI organization, known for its drama-filled coronation nights and alleged controversies. The departure of the Glaminant Entertainment Group comes on the heels of Rachel Gupta's historic win as the first Indian Miss Grand International in 2024. Despite this success, the organization cited differing visions as the primary reason for ending its partnership. Myanmar's tumultuous relationship with MGI came to a head when former National Director Tu Antwin transitioned to Miss World Myanmar. Allegations of bribery, crown deals, and title stripping have plagued MGI's reputation in the region. Cambodia also joined the exodus, with directors expressing dissatisfaction over unmet promises and lackluster support from MGI's leadership. Founded in 2013, Miss Grand International has built its brand on promoting humanitarian causes. But with accusations of favoritism, payment delays, and organizational mishaps, its reputation has been increasingly called into question. Recent controversies include Thai Sune of Myanmar, stripped of her second runner-up title in 2024, she publicly denounced MGI for unfair treatment. Nikhil Anand of India criticized MGI for being disrespectful and money-hungry, claiming their focus on drama overshadowed their mission. Despite these setbacks, MGI remains a powerhouse, with its 2024 Queen, Rachel Gupta of India, symbolizing its global reach and influence. The decision of four powerhouse nations to withdraw from MGI in 2025 raises a critical question: is this the beginning of a new era in pageantry? Ivan Gunawan's bold move to focus on his brand and the potential launch of Miss Mega World could set a new standard, emphasizing transparency, inclusivity, and innovation. This unfolding drama has us on the edge of our seats. What do you think about Ivan Gunawan's decision and the wave of Asian countries leaving MGI? Could this signify a paradigm shift in the pageant industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more sizzling updates. Until next time, stay fabulous.